Ciao everybody, my name is RAMSEY Spencer. I'm a fashion editorial and an advertising photographer, and I'm here at the Leica store in Tel Aviv. Gonna do the unboxing for you for the Leica Q-P, and I'm gonna also do for the Leica SL. It's the mirrorless system from Leica. And why did I pick this system to work with in my professional daily life? Because I'm a fashion photographer and I'm always looking for image quality, and this is the best gear I landed on, and I'm gonna explain to you while I'm doing the unboxing a bit of information. So you can see the box is very minimalistic, very beautiful, like all black with the label of the Leica SL in it. And you can see here the manuals and the registration cards. Just this. You have here the adapter, the charger, you have the battery, and we have here the cables, which is the AC adapter, and you have the USB 3 for the camera itself, and you have the strap, and we have the camera itself, the body, and you can see it's beautifully designed, very minimalistic. It's like a piece of art camera, and I will walk you through it quickly. You can see there is 4 customizable buttons here. Each one you can assign it to whatever you like, and then with one second press hold, you will assign it to whatever you need. So you have 8 in total. It's a full touch screen. You have 2 SD cards, and you have here a full joystick, functioning joystick, and you have the on and off button. You have here for the flash sync, microphone and head jack. You will just do it via an adapter, full HDMI out, and you also have here the USB 3.0. And you can see you have another 2 buttons here. You can customize it to whatever you like, and you also have one here in the front, and you have the 2 dials, and you have a small screen here indicating your settings, your battery, and how much memory you have left. And you can see this is a 24 megapixel full frame sensor. It's beautifully designed, and it also gives you amazing, superb image quality. That's why I chose to work with this system. And you also can attach the M lenses via the M adapter, and of course it shoots 4K video, so you can actually attach to it S lenses from the medium format or S cinematic lenses. So you have everything covered, from like compact to all the way to a big professional camera for the Leica SL. So I'll put this on the side, and then we go through the new designed Leica Q-P, which is a beautiful camera. And the one we have here, it's fully black. You can see. So we have the box of the body. We have here the hood, which is totally made from metal. And we have the camera itself. It's like a beautiful piece of art camera also. All Leica cameras usually is like piece of art designed. It's like you can see it's very minimalistic, very black, matte finish. You don't have the red dot, which is the Leica logo, which is for more discreet. But you know, as we all Leica photographers, and we are very proud to say it's a Leica camera. The lens, it's fixed, it's 28 1.7, and you can see it's like a very light magenta reddish finish with the numbers, and it's also full functioning screen as well. You can, it's like a touch, and you have here USB ports, and you have the battery, and you can put the SD card. I'll put this on the side, and we can go through what comes in the box. You have also the registration and the manuals of the Q, and with the, you can see how well presented it is. You have all the accessories comes with it. and I'll walk you through it. So first here we get the charger. You can see I'm the first one opening the camera, which is my pleasure. You have the battery, and you also have 2 batteries, comes with it. So we have 2 batteries, 1 extra. We have the Leica leather strap comes with it, which is a great contrast and combination, comes with the system itself. And the last little bag comes with the cables, which is for the charger, the AC cable, and you have the USB cable. So here you have it, the Leica SL mirrorless system for professional use and also personal use. You can attach all the compact and professional zoom lenses, and also the cinematic lenses, and also the S medium format lenses on this camera, which is interchangeable lenses. And you have the very compact Q-P from Leica. It's very great for street photography, events, casual portrait. It gives you amazing quality as well, as we all know Leica is well known for about. And if you have any questions, please head to Leica store here in Tel Aviv, or you can visit their website www.camera.co.il, or just head to the Leica website. And if you would like to have any questions about it, please let us know and we will be glad to answer it for you. Thank you so much and have a good day.